In these times, like many of you, I have been wondering, what can I do to help? And I saw a video on one of the groups on Facebook talking about therapy sessions being canceled. And this is a very real occurrence. And if you're going through this, what she was suggesting was that you transition to remote counseling and try that out, and was giving some advice on how you could do that. And it occurred to me that for therapists who use the outcome and session rating scale, this could also be an issue if they were looking at doing remote counseling. And thinking back into the past, how therapists would do things like do screen sharing and give mouse control. And I just wanted to first of all, let my outcomes users know about Give Access, which allows them to give their clients their own login, something we created quite a few years ago that also works for the mobile app that you can download from iTunes or Google Play. And so if you're a My Outcomes customer, I'm going to show you how you can access that and create user IDs and passwords for your own clients, and they can log in or download the app. For others that don't use My Outcomes right now, but do use the outcome and session rating scale with their clients, what I want to do is offer you My Outcomes for free for 2 months. It's a free trial. You can export your data when you're done, and this will allow you to continue to collect the measures. So get started. You're just going to sign up for a free trial here on the My Outcomes page, and you'll receive your login credentials. Just takes a second to load because we're screen sharing, and I'm also working from home on a Saturday. All right, so I'm just logging into the web-based version, and what I want to show you is how you can use the Give Access function. I'm just going to go down. I'm logged in at the owner level. For administration with your clients, you just need a provider account. You don't need to worry about any of this. Right here is the Give Access function. So you can send this information to your client. You can use the Remember Email function to send the email now, or also schedule an email to go out to your client with this information. And then you can certainly walk them through that during your remote counseling session. I hope that this will be of use to somebody, and everybody take care.